We're going to the skate shop.
To get what?
Skateboard.
Skateboard for Harrison.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
No.
Is this your very first skateboard?
No.
Do you have a helmet?
Yeah.
Do you need some knee pads?
Yeah. No.
No?
Yeah.
Maybe?
No.
What about some cool socks?
Don't do that.
You want cool socks?
Yeah.
Got new shoes, bud?
Yeah.
You're just gonna be a full-on big boy, huh?
Yeah. Mommy, look.
That one's cool.
Tiny.
It's a tiny one. It's a little bit smaller than Daddy's. Be careful. Hey.
It's got soft wheels, real short, nice wide, stable platform. Those are 109.
Mommy, don't bird. Mommy.
You want that board?
There's a white color one.
Bubba's. Which one?
Go point to it.
You want that one?
Right? All right.
Wanna try it out?
No.
Oh, you want that one too, huh? My gosh.
Probably 6 years old and saving up $10 or something to buy a plastic skateboard. You know?
Yeah, for sure.
You always remember it. Put your arm in there for me.
Don't push it through.
Quickly.
And then we're going to do it on your knee. Yep. I mean, you can go a lot tighter. I don't want to pinch you
Yeah.
or anything. But.
Man.
How does it feel, bud?
This.
Feels good.
And then what's really important for skateboarding, the most common injury we see is the broken wrist when you fall backwards or forwards, break the wrist right there. So
Yeah.
the little wrist guards
Nice.
are going to be you'll be like a superhero. You can be like Iron Man.
Can you
Strong
walk?
arm.
Can you walk? You walk just fine. Come on.
This.
That boy?
Yeah.
That boy man?
With the bruised eye?
Or you want the shark?
So.
You want black or white?
So.
Black.
Can you?
Shark and black.
All right.
Look, buddy. We'll put it on your board. Nice.
Be careful.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I got that card. That was good on the Super Bowl.
Have fun.
Oh, yeah, we will.
Come on, buddy.
Bud, let me
Gotta go
see.
ride your board.
Not a huge fan of the skull.
Put the shark over it. These are like the only two ones we really have. Put you a shark sticker on there.
Listen, got it.
You want to put your Aloha board sticker on there too?
Yeah.
Want to go by the beach to practice?
Yeah.
It's not as scary now.
Are you excited, bud?
Not on my
Yeah.
skateboard.
Yeah.
You ready to ride?
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 we're hitting bumps, dude. We're hitting bumps.
Good job, bud! Is it so fun?
Yeah.
Were you going so fast?
Yeah.
He's natural born.
Yeah, he was going so fast.
He looks like he's just like chilling, huh?
Let me see you stand on it.
Take off your knee pads when you get in. Take off your cool knee pads.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Woo! That was so close, boys. Wow! Nice trick, dude!